One of the things that confused me when I was making the rear brake pipes on the Discovery 3 was the standards of the flares. Now, of course, probably more seasoned mechanics than me out there are going to go, well, it's a no-brainer. But I got incredibly confused because on certain websites where you can buy stuff from and all this kind of stuff, it's SAE, which is Society of Automotive Engineers standard, which is the SAE, is different from the DIN standard. Now the DIN is a European standard which stands for Deutsches Institut für Normung, which is the DIN part. Now the DIN standard is different to the flares that are on SAE. So when I bought the flaring tool, I did it wrong, and I bought one that did SAE flares only. So you can make the flares. I will show you some pictures now what they look like, but they are different, and the threads on the unions are also different. So if you're like me and you're not a genius on brake stuff, do research. And the other confusing part was that the pipe joiners were SAE, whereas the Land Rover pipe ends were DIN. So that was the other confusion. So I did get myself in a pickle, but in the end I worked it out. I had to return some tools, but in the end I managed to get the right ones. So just a word of warning that with brake stuff you've got to be really careful, and I'm not an expert, so please take my videos with a pinch of salt, especially when it's on a critical component like your brake system.